Good morning, Team Ismash. How is everybody doing today? And in today's installment now, we are constructing a step for one of the back porch area of one of our buildings. He wanted to put a suspended slab, which is the column and beam. We are constructing a step, a 2-flight, and we're going to go down by the side to see how the guys are going to deal with it. I might show you, I will show you. Few good things about this step. So let's get it.
So why are you moving on? Someone told me that I could find it. I will find my way. Gotta keep looking. If it's not
second column. 4-leg, double-legged stirrup.
That's all. Me young, 22 years old, me never get better than you.
Me don't know about that.
Fit your fuck it, I just drink a while ago.
Well, yeah, what you fit do now?
Skip time, yeah?
Yeah, what you fit do now? Try catch it.
Yes, sir. Me get it, I must get better. You have something I want then?
Me don't know my youth.
she guides me with a sign and lie to me. It ain't over. It ain't over. It ain't over. It ain't over.
MP, they're not gonna make a car see till you have it 200 millimeter in this, you know.
What, 8? What too near what?
I would then say it's a specific drawing, a reinforcement, and thing then give you work with it.
But look at them. You see them sharp, sir? They're not holding enough because it's an empty space, you know.
Go on again?
They're not holding enough. They're not stabilized. They're not open space.
Then they
So
not
if this drop down the ground, they're not going down. They're not holding enough.
give man them space to the ask. So this a distribution bar, it carry weight go straight down. That yeah, distribution bar, that a main bar.
This house hold
That's just a wall here. But if a man they ask you 200 millimeter, what's hard to give them?
So they give you 2 millimeters.
Just give them a 200 millimeter. And done.
We give them now.
And alright, top to bottom.
Yeah, man,
From press to down, from that flight to that second flight.
Rasta is if you got some 46 inches here. Yeah.
You know, low man, you know, money. You want to suffer all day life.
What up, brother, suffer? You can't tell me what me to do. Me and your stomach are the same.
Right now, I get give you 20 million. I must say, you want that poor? You look like you want to talk, you know. I get it in I get that there for the dog. You make it pass, you.
But you don't understand the world, man. Because
You don't understand the world?
and you know, can't dead before me.
Who, me? Yeah.
Okay.
You
That's
agree.
no one, no.
I agree. Come on, can't shoot me.
Well, me not say them fi shoot you.
Where is the patron, man?
Me not say
Get the patron.
me not so wicked.
Get the patron.
If you wish.
What you mean by face it?
Eh?
What you mean by face it?
Yes, put your face there, man.
Well, if man do it for free, so I guess $20 million just brought her.
I will get 20 million to blood. You got to ice cream.
And someone a pay for it.
Aye. Last night.
Oi.
Right now.
Some people are paying for it. You know.
Facebook last
Some man look on me and beg, please, let me do that.
I feel that I see a girl in the house, a towel,
So yeah guys, this is how far man them reach. What I watch all them rebels here and the bridge. This I go clean out. This I go clean out. Reinforcement. Reinforcement is arrangement of steel. As per drawing, we use half-inch bars, 12 mm. The drawing says the spacing should be 200 mm. 25 mm is 1 inch. 200, 8 times, so 8 inch. Over support. Incomplete. Over support I go right round and come down. You have a space, and then the over support start again to the end of the stairs. This is a half span stairs, half span landing around here. So don't have any spine wall or nothing. Just boop boop boop, something like a cantilever stairs. So boop boop boop, come down, come down, come down. So tomorrow now I probably can give a full update on exactly how the reinforcement will look. As you can see, it's incomplete right now, and yeah, and I stand corrected. The ply part called suffix board underneath. I'm stand corrected to that. I don't remember nothing about the farm work. But yeah, staircase day 1. Let's get it. So welcome back to day 2, my people. And yo, I realized I make a rookie mistake in the beginning of the last vlog. I realized I keep calling the staircase step. No, let me clear that up. It is not a step, it's a staircase. What is a step? A step is a rise and a third. That equals a step. Sorry for that rookie mistake there. Hope it never torture some of you guys' eardrum where do construction and say, what the ras am I talk about? Anyways, we'll go back down there now for see the end product of the reinforcement, check on it, and hopefully we can commence casting today. It kinda late an idea now, but we're gonna still see what we can do. Either way, we're gonna get some work done and see if we can wrap up that video here. Let's go. So as I say, after clean off good. So the curb is left. So that the cleaning the left of it done. As you can see, my guy installed the risers then. Straight down. So I forgot to mention that this is the dog leg stairs. Oh my God. You guys should know that the width of the landing should not be less than the width of the step. And you just go so boop 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 and come down. So yeah, it is my smash. I think that I'm gonna conclude the vlog. I believe I'm gonna make this video turn in a 2-part video where I'm gonna show you the casting part. So basically we'll just go through farm work and reinforcement. So in the next vlog now we'll show you the casting of the staircase. Get it right this time. So Ismash, stay tuned for my next vlog. Really appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do. And it's your boy Ismash. I'm out.